Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up Google Pixel tab for a senior person. And to do this, first let's open our settings and keep in mind that those settings that we're about to change are personal things, so it is recommended to do it with the person that this tablet is meant for, so that they can see which settings they like. And now, first thing is to set system navigation, and I think it should be right here in the system. We have gestures and there's system navigation, and here you can choose to either use gesture navigations like I have right here, so there's no buttons and we need to navigate using our hand gestures, so go back like this, open tabs like this, and we want to go for 3 buttons navigations. It's much easier to use this tablet with buttons. Next thing is to go for accessibility, and here we have multiple different settings that we can change. And let's start with a screen reader. It's optional, as I mentioned, and what it does is it will talk and describe any button that you're about to press. So let's enable it, and just to show you.
Talkback on. Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback. Next.
Yep. So it works like this.
Button.
In the
Double tap to activate.
Okay. In the sake of the video, I'm gonna close it because it's
tutorial. Stay in tutorial.
Close, please.
Close. Talkback. Navigate. Use. Settings on left. Stop. Stop. Talkback off.
And this feature is kind of annoying, but it might help some people, so consider enabling it. Next thing is to change the display size in the text, and here is, I think, most important setting, so you can zoom in onto the display so that the font will become much bigger and much easier to see. There's also display size, and this will change the icons and other well-being on this tablet. You can also enable to bold the text and enable high contrast text, and this will be, I think, it won't give you motion sickness when you enable high contrast text, but yeah, let's disable it because it looks weird on the recording. And moving on, we have color and motion, and this was quite not necessary to enable, because you can invert the colors like that. It looks like just this. I don't want that, and you can consider enabling if you like. Anyway, moving on, we have remove animations, and this is also important because here, when you enable it, it will remove any animations from the screen, and it will reduce all overall motion sickness when you use it, because some people might have it. And I think that's all of the settings. No, we have a magnification. That's a very good one. And if you enable it, you can zoom in onto the screen anywhere by, I think, triple tapping. It's always different on these devices. To zoom in, use shortcut to start magnification. Tap to the screen, drag 2 fingers to move around the screen, pinch with 2 fingers to adjust the zoom. And click on that icon. Yep. And now we can pinch our fingers in the not. Okay, we don't need to pinch our fingers, so you need to click on this icon and then click anywhere on your screen, hold your finger, and this will allow you to zoom in. So the last thing I'm gonna search for is icon holding, timing controls. Yep, touch and hold delay, that's what I was looking for. And here you can adjust how long does it take to click and open any app or any icon or any button, and let's set it to long. And here, if we try to, for example, open a battery, it won't happen, or actually it happens instantly for some reason. That's weird. Okay, let's go back. Timing controls, touch and hold delay. Okay, so there's time to take action as well. No, we don't want that. So I think that works only for the apps, like if we try to open a Google Play Store, Nope, it doesn't. So for some reason this feature doesn't work at all, but maybe they will patch it because it's very useful not to mistakenly open any apps. And yeah, just keep an eye on it. If they update it and it will start working, then it should be fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.